Can you explain this to me again, Corey?
There was four holes.
In what?
In what?
In one.
In what?
Just
What were
like-
these holes in?
I don't even know, dude. There was these
What
three.
came from your ass right
There was
now?
these three.
You see his boxers?
And then there was this shit.
Please keep it in! I can't make this a rated R movie!
Like four right here, alright? You got this one, you got this one, you got this one, you got this one. Mike, hold on. Alright. This is the closest one. Nope. Alright, this is the next one. This is the next one. No. That one. Smells like cinnamon. No. Alcohol. It's Coke. Nope.
No. What's that? Fortune cookie thing?
Hold on. Shut up! Remove to expose adhesive. There's no fucking adhesive on here. Hold on.
Oh my god.
I can't breathe anymore.
His fucking boxers are hanging halfway down his ass with the outside of his shorts.
Backwards again. Concentrate here. Hold on. Backwards. Remove to expose adhesive.
How many times are you gonna read that, Corey? Until you